far. We really are on our way to becoming, to believing, to believe in the dream dreamed 100 years ago today. Can you feel the magic in the air? It's dark currents spreading everywhere. Where we live, where we play, where we meet every day, growing stronger than we ever dared. Now there's nothing standing in our way. Sisters moving in that flow to discovering, connecting, and creating a world. There's no limit to how far we can go. Step outside, it's a brand new day. Look around at all the changes we've made. Stop until it's all ablaze. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go Scouts! Ignite a dream, ignite your hope, ignite the world on fire. It's love starts with a spark, a flame in your hearts, until the world's burning bright. We'll ignite, G-N-I-T-E, Girl Scouts. We'll ignite, G-N-I-T-E, Girl Scouts. It's your planet, gonna love it. It's your story, why don't you tell it? Step into light,